shove it all up in your face. And this noise is not fucking helping. And also, you guys might have noticed that I'm not wearing a shirt because I was outside. My shirt got wet by my douchebag teacher and douchebag sister. So I was thinking about my teachers. So now I've time to beat this game. I know most of you guys do not have any faith in me, but fuck you guys. Fuck those guys who don't have faith in me. So I'm doing it. I am out of breath right now. Like I'm trying to beat this damn game. And guess where Slenderman is? He's right there, you douchebag. Oh fuck, there's a page over there. Just go right to him, just go right to him, just go right to him. He's not there. God damn it, you douchebag Slenderman! God damn it! You son of a bitch! Hey, but if he's not here, then where the hell is he? He's supposed to be. Oh fuck, he's out there. Ooh, a Pagey! Page. 5 pages, dudes. 5 pages, guys. I never made it to 5 pages in any of my videos. Of course the bitch is right over there. Oh shit, if he got closer. Ah! Fuck you. Don't touch me. Just don't touch me. I don't care what you are, where you came from, just don't touch me. He's still following me. If he's still following me, if he's over there, I'm gonna be so upset. Ah! Fuck you. Hi, Slenderman, you're a dick. Well, I have only 2 pages left, guys. 2. And I know where they are. Good, he's not chasing me yet. Ah, fuck! How? Why? God damn it! Stupid Slenderman! Oh guys, I'm almost done. 1 more page left. 1 more page. Okay, I'm done. I'm doing it. I'm done. I'm out. Come on. Oh my gosh, Slenderman, take a long time. Please don't come over here. Please give me as much time as you can give me. Please take your sweet time. Get the hell away from me. Get the hell away from me. I said, shut up, I'm recording a video. Where's the page? Where's the last one? It's the last goddamn one. Where is Oh, give me it, please! I'm sorry, no. Ah, fuck! Ah, fuck! What the fuck? How was I supposed to know he was there? Oh, the last page is here. Oh my god!